Hey everyone, and welcome back to Just Prom Does Business. With everyone working from home more, we're seeing a rise in the number of users for Microsoft Teams. I personally think this is great because I love leveraging Teams, but I understand some of the challenges when you're using a new technology. So today I thought I would talk to you all about how I decide when to create a new team versus when to add a channel to a team versus when to leverage chat. All three of these have some really rich capabilities. Now, this is going to be just an explanation of my decision-making process. I'm going to do 3 follow-up videos where I'll talk about each one specifically and show you how we leverage these, how to add some features, and make them the most useful for you. Let's start with when to create a new team. The easiest way to put this is you're typically working on a new project together, or you're working with a cross-functional team that maybe doesn't already have a team that exists. That makes it pretty easy to understand. Something such as planning a conference or designing a building or doing a building refresh. These are all great examples of when you might want a new team. But here's where channels come into play. So let's take that planning a conference example. You wouldn't want to have a team for catering, a team for agenda, a team for, right? You get the point. Instead, you would want to have a team all up for the conference, and then each individual channel would cover the topics such as catering, speakers, etc. Another great way to leverage channels within existing teams is private channels. So this enables you to bring a smaller subset of the team into the channel and have your own private conversations, sharing of documents, etc. This is really great because a lot of existing teams might have subgroups that are working on either different projects, or maybe it's sensitive information that can't be shared with everyone on the team. This is a great way to collaborate without having to create an entirely new team. And finally, let's talk about chat. And if you see my smile getting bigger, it's because I leverage chat a lot. And with all of these rich capabilities, for me, it's one of the best ways to collaborate. So chat, obviously, for one-on-one conversations with individuals. I mean, that just makes sense. Another way that I have found chat to be successful is also for small groups. And even if you want to have a OneNote associated with that group, you can still use chat. As an example, I run a committee internally with a subset of individuals, and because our banter is always on the same topic, but fairly consistent, I have found that just titling the chat and leveraging that has been more successful and gets a better response than creating a channel within a team or creating a whole new team. Check out the videos though, so that you can see all of these examples live. And remember, the most important part is to be intentional when you're creating teams and just think through, how do me and my team collaborate best, and leverage that going forward with Microsoft Teams. I hope this helped. I'll have more videos, as you know. Please subscribe and ring the bell to get notifications when new videos come out.